In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Binance verification failed issue. Verifying your identity on Binance can be a bit tricky, especially when things don't go as planned. Fear not, as we're here to walk you through the steps you can take to address this problem and successfully get your verification sorted out. First, let's start by opening up your Binance app. Once you've got it open, head on over to your profile section. It's that little icon usually found in the top corner of your screen. There you'll see various options, but what you're looking for is the verification tab. Give that a tap and you'll be on your way. Next, what you'll want to do is locate the section that says personal information. Beside this, you should see an update identity link. Tap on that link and it will guide you to the next step in the process. This is crucial because any updates or corrections you need to make to your personal details will happen here. Now, you'll need to select a reason for updating your information. This could be due to a change in circumstances like moving to a new country, or simply correcting an error from before. By selecting the appropriate reason, you help Binance's system understand the nature of your request, which can facilitate a smoother process. Moving on, it's important to ensure that the name and country you submit are absolutely correct. Any discrepancies can lead to an unsuccessful verification, so take utmost care in this part. If there's even a slight mismatch here, it can cause the system to flag your verification attempt. You'll also need to re-upload a valid ID. When doing this, make sure that the image is clear and the details on your ID are easily readable. A blurred or partially visible document is a common reason for rejections, so try using natural lighting and avoid any shadows over the important details on your ID. A further step is to take a selfie that matches the ID you've provided. This is to confirm that the person in the ID is indeed the same. Make sure your selfie is well lit and that your facial features are clearly visible. Finally, if you're attempting these steps while connected to an unstable internet connection, it could hinder the upload process or cause submission errors. So, try to do this while connected to a stable network for optimal results. If after all these efforts you find that your verification still fails, the best course of action is to contact Binance support. They're equipped to provide specific guidance and possibly resolve any lingering issues you might encounter. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to tackle the verification failed issue on Binance. Good luck with your verification process and thank you for tuning in today.